Hello everyone. In this exercise of Solidworks, we will understand how to create a very sketch pattern in linear pattern of Solidworks. Let's start. File, new, part, this one. I am selecting background plain white and this one unit system is millimeter. We will we will create a very sketch pattern in this way. So first I am taking the top plane and this one I am making a circle here. This one. I'm making circle of 150 dia. This one 150 dia here. Okay, and extruding it. I'm extruding it only 2 mm. Okay, this one. Now select this face, this one, and normal. I'm making this line here, this one, and this one. Okay, I am making a center arc slot here. This center and this one and this and this one. I am giving the arc dimension. This I am taking 2.5 mm and joining this point to this point, and this angle I am taking 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. And I am making a relation here. This one, sorry, this one, and shift, and this one, tangent relation. And this dimension I am taking, this dimension I am taking 12 mm. Okay, this I am taking 12 mm. I want this sketch. Later on, I will extrude cut here. This will proceed between this and this one, between these two perpendicular lines. First, I make a extrude cut here. Extrude cut this one and this. Okay. Now, linear pattern. In linear pattern, this one. Linear pattern. I suppose I select this direction. Now very sketch pattern is inactive, this one at this time. Okay, when I select this direction one in this one, and uncheck it, very sketch pattern, this is moving in the straight direction. When I select, firstly it is active when very sketch pattern is inactive. When I select this dimension in which I want to proceed, select this one, and it is going in the normal linear pattern way. But when I select this very sketch pattern, you will see this extrude cut is moving between these two perpendicular lines, between these two. I am giving the distance between the distance 10 mm and number of stitches is 4, 5, 6. This is cutting. I am taking less number, 6 number. In this way you can take it. And suppose you want to, if I instance it to skip, when I click this instances to skip, this pink points count here. Suppose you want any point, suppose you want to remove this point, click it and can remove, but I am not removing. Okay, and I am okaying it this way. So this extrude cut is varying between these perpendicular lines. Okay, now I make a circular pattern here of this one, and circle this one and this one. You will see in this way, in this type of design we can make in this one. We take another example now. Okay, don't save it. I am taking file, new. I am taking another example of this one. Background plain white and unit system is millimeter gram second. I am taking top plane sketch and I am making a triangle here. This one and this one, this, and this one. This one. Okay. And I am future extrude boss face. I am taking only 5 mm. This one. I am selecting this face, sketch, normal. I am making a triangle here. This is another example. I am taking and rectangle. I am taking this one. And I am giving the offset here. Offset, select this line, this reverse direction, and you can take, suppose 8 mm you can take it. Okay. And this, sorry, I have to trim this one. This one, trim, press left mouse button, this forward trim, press left mouse button and hold and drag it. This, and this one, and this one. I am dragging. This is the required shape. This one, I am taking this dimension. This dimension I am taking 5 mm. And this also I am taking 5 mm. 5. Okay. This I am taking the 5 mm. This is 5, this is 5, and this one. And extrude cut. Future extrude cut. This one. I am taking this one. Okay, this is the shape. I want this shape should proceed as per size of the triangle. Okay, suppose I select this cut extrude and linear pattern. Suppose I select this dimension, direction. You move. It is moving in this way, but it is intersecting above. It is going beyond this boundary. But I don't like this. I want what I am clear, and you see very sketch pattern is inactive at this time. When I want to proceed in this direction. If I select this one, carefully note this thing. I select this one, very sketch pattern is active. Now I click it, this one, and give the distance between the instances. 10 mm I'm giving, or 6 pattern you want to increase this one. This one, this one, this one, you get. You will see the extrude cut, this shape is proceeding in this way, but as this is between the boundary. The patterns are moving between this boundary. So this very sketch pattern we use in this way. Okay, I am hitting the right button. This way you can see it. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. You please subscribe this channel. Thank you.